So to help you kind of shift that thinking, what if? Instead of thinking, what if I don't have what it takes? What if you say, what if I meet my kids' individual needs? Instead of thinking, what if I get mad or frustrated or angry? What if you say, what if I build their self-esteem? Instead of saying, what if I'm too unorganized or I'm overly organized? Change that to, what if I teach my kids practical life skills? Instead of thinking, what if I don't know enough? I'm not qualified enough. I struggle. Change it to, what if I make learning meaningful? Change, what if I struggle, to, what if I learn to be flexible? Think about, what if my family, friends, and community doesn't agree? And switch that to, what if I make new supportive friends that do agree, that do understand, that are doing what I want to do? If you can change, what if I'm just really scared I'm going to fail? Instead, say, what if I use failing as a learning opportunity instead of a weapon or a negative mark? You know, we think of failing as this awful thing. But if you look at anybody who's been super, super successful in life, they will all tell you they had to fail to learn how to grow, to get to where they are. We are the same. Our kids are the same. There is room for failure. So don't fear failing. Fear not trying. Fear not being able to change or shift if something's not working. Most of these same issues teachers in the classroom have. Have you ever thought about that? So you're afraid of that as a parent, but you know what? Teachers have these same fears when they walk into a classroom. What if I don't have what it takes this year for this group of kids? What if I can't meet their needs? You're not any different than these classroom teachers that you think that you're not going to measure up to. Really, what I want you to know is, what if you rewrite your fears? What if you take those negatives, those what ifs that have been filling your mind, and you replace it with those new and improved positive what ifs? What if you face the fear? It's the most amazing and life transformational opportunity for your kids. I mean, honestly, the odds are in your favor. You know, if you can compare what you could offer your kids versus the toxic, bully-filled, stressed out, teacher shortage public school system that isn't working for your kids. What if you can change your kid's life or even save it because you learned how to face your fears and then you taught them how to? You can do it.